sitting right here. You can see behind me right there. So let's take a look at what the Camaro looks like now. Let's get to it. Again, when you're doing this and you purchase a hood, you want to make sure the fitment is pretty well and everything fits tight. Matter of fact, you don't want to paint this first and then fit it. You want to get all that first before you get it fitted, because that's going to avoid your warranty if you paint it and then you put it on and you find out that it does not fit. So yeah, the ease of this job, like I said before, 1 out of 10, 1 being extremely easy, 10 being extremely tough. I would say it was a 4. Again, I did it by myself, but I recommend you guys grab somebody else to help you. Took me an hour. With 2 people, it would probably take 30 minutes or less. It's a really easy job. It's a really easy job. I mean, I think that it completely ups the cosmetic beauty of it. Once I get the bumper lip in, that's gonna enhance it even more. And really all I got left to do is get it painted. Depending on what I do, I might just get the whole car painted. As we know, Chevy and their paint jobs are they kind of give you, it's kind of thin. The paint jobs are really thin. It's not the best paint jobs on these cars. So yeah, I don't know where I'm gonna go get it painted, but I have an idea. So here we go again. This is the ride. This is what I'm looking at. So I'm very pleased by it. As you can see how high it sits right here. That's some good height. That's some good height. So the vent to release the hot air. Nothing but cool air going through there. So it's gonna definitely drop engine temperatures, which is always good. The cooler, the better. The hotter, the slower, the less power you put out. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. I appreciate your support. Like I said, again, this is your boy Hot Rod Fuego. Hit that subscribe button, support your boy. Hit that like or that dislike if you don't. Please drop a comment. The mods don't stop.